Hey there, grill enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your grilling game on the road? Well, you're in luck because today, we're counting down the top 5 best portable grills that will elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply enjoying a day at the park, these portable grills are compact, convenient, and deliver mouth-watering results wherever you go. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's dive right in. Starting off our list is the Masterbuilt Portable Charcoal Grill. For its portable charcoal grill, Masterbuilt employed a simple version of technology it developed for its larger digital charcoal grill, the 560. With the use of a fan and a separate charcoal firebox, you can get this grill hot enough to cook in about the same time it takes to heat up a portable propane grill. We loaded the firebox with charcoal from the Good Charcoal Company, which is a consistent medium size and perfect for the small, 1.5-pound capacity firebox. We lit the charcoal with a torch for about 60 seconds, turned the fan to medium, closed the firebox, and in 15 minutes we were grilling burgers. The fan is electric, but that doesn't mean you have to be tied to an outlet. You can also use 4AA batteries. When we tested the battery power with the fan set at medium speed, we were able to grill for about 5 hours. The grill features a porcelain-coated, cast iron cooking grate that helps provide even heat, and which we found easy to clean. We could roll the grill around easily with the collapsible cart, and the dedicated firebox and locking grill lid meant we didn't spread ashes wherever we went with it. The Masterbuilt Portable Charcoal Grill makes grilling with charcoal easy, fast, and clean. Next up, we have the Weber Smokey Joe Portable Grill. This is a phenomenal small grill, a kettle-shaped classic. A bottom vent and an aluminum top damper allowed us to dial in the airflow. Despite the Smokey Joe's small volume, there was enough room to manipulate the coal for precise cooking. We mounted charcoal on one side for indirect heating and rotated the lid so that the top damper drew smoke past the food. The grill's setup and cool down are simple, precise, and fast. Years of experience with it have convinced us of one thing: it's a classic that would be almost impossible to improve upon. Moving on to our third pick, the Cuisinart CGG 750 Venture Portable Grill. Packed up, Cuisinart's Venture resembles a picnic basket, making it about as portable as a tabletop grill can get. It took us less than a minute to set up its 3 pieces, including a wood top, a grill body with a handle, and a base. The top and base combine to form an attractive prep surface that clips alongside the grill. The single 9,000 BTU burner is fueled by a 16-ounce propane canister that is conveniently stored in the base. Being a single burner grill, the Venture made it a little tricky to manage heat when cooking thicker meats like bone and chicken, as it's hard to get away from the heat for longer, indirect cooking. We set the burner on low for the 100% beef burgers we grilled, flipped them once, and then turned up the heat to imprint sear lines from the cast iron grate. Generally, we found it relatively easy to grill thinner foods and, even better, convenient to turn on and off as needed over the course of an afternoon. One popular mechanics editor used it at her neighborhood block party to grill hot dogs and sausages. It was the hit of the day. Our fourth pick is the Oklahoma Joe's Rambler Tabletop Grill. This somewhat simple, unassuming grill turned out to be the sleeper in our test. We were impressed by how easy it was to cook with either direct or indirect heat. The charcoal tray is adjustable, hanging from a ladder rack that can quickly raise or lower the coals as needed. The burgers came out with fantastic coloring and that inimitable cooked-over charcoal taste. To cook chicken more slowly, we shuffled the coals to one side, put them away from them, and closed the lid. The damper on top allows for fine management of the heat, and a large, easy-to-read thermometer makes monitoring the temperature simple. As far as portability, this tabletop grill doesn't break down to take up less space. What you see is what you get, and it might be difficult to transport in smaller cars. We were surprised to find that the Rambler is nearly 50 pounds. That might seem a tad heavy, but it has cast iron grill grates and is fabricated from thick gauge steel instead of cheap stamped sheet metal. It's built to last, though we wouldn't suggest hiking into the woods with it. Last but certainly not least, we have the Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Portable Grill. The Weber Q1200 is compact and light, the most convenient portable grill we tested. It gets the job done almost entirely through conduction. Its single burner provides heat to a porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grid that functions much like an 189 square inch pan. Narrow slots in the grid provide a path for drippings. With the lid down, you get reliable cooking as hot air circulates over the grid. The bread test confirmed that the Weber has good middle-of-the-pack heat distribution. But because you can't control that heat as well, you'll need to either carefully monitor your food or save this one for burgers and dogs. It will dry out or burn chicken and more substantial cuts of meat. For added convenience, Weber makes a collapsible rolling stand sold separately, which will be nice to have when you don't have a picnic table on which to set the grill. And there you have it, the top 5 best portable grills for all your outdoor cooking adventures. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Thanks for tuning in, and happy grilling!